Self-practice 5.1, question 4. Azrul and Jonathan are placing national flags along the school corridor from the canteen to the staff room. Okay, so let's say this is the canteen and this is the staff room. Okay, so they are placing flags along the corridor. The distance between the first and second flag is 5 meters. Okay, so let's assume the first flag is here. The first flag and second flag, the distance is 5 meters. So we can say the first flag was at 0 meters. The second flag is at 5 meters. Okay. Then the third flag is placed 10 meters from the first flag. So T3 will be 10 meters. And this pattern repeats for the rest of the flags. Determine whether the arrangement of these flags follow an arithmetic progression. Give your justification. Okay. To check if this is arithmetic or not, we need to find the difference between this and this, and this and this. So obviously, here to here, plus 5 meters, and here to here also plus 5. So we can say it is an arithmetic progression because the distance increases by 5 meters throughout now. Okay, so it increases by 5 meters. So this will be an arithmetic progression. That's it.